can rewrite this exactly for sisters in a house, because the house is a microcosm of the big house. The house of the man and his wives is a microcosm of the house of Jacob. And that is a picture of the Messiah and his kingdom. Okay? All of this. In fact, it is the Messiah and his kingdom. The house of Jacob is who his kingdom is. Okay? So for people who don't understand that you are part of Israel, whether grafted in or native born, and there are native born on all parts of the planet with every shade of skin tone and every background, because the seed of Jacob was scattered in all directions, in all places, and it's not held by any one people group. Okay, could talk about that for days and can demonstrate in spades, but right straight out of the book of Acts, out of Josephus, out of other places. It's a false deal to start trying to separate all of that. Not going to get sidetracked. Let's get back to the topic here. So how good and pleasant it is for, let's say, sisters, okay, in the house. Let's talk about in the house. For sisters to dwell together in unity. Now listen to this. It is like the precious oil upon the head coming down upon the beard, even Aaron's beard coming down upon the edges of his robes.